Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Wednesday, October 14th, 9:26 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. Today in the crypto market, let's check it out. Looking at Coin 360. It's a red day in general in the market. Bitcoin's down almost 1% last 24 hours. Looking at volume, Bitcoin trading volume, 840 million. That's not bad at all. Most of that, of course, is on Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. So where most of that volume is, let's check out longs versus shorts sentiment. 37% longs, 62% shorts. So the sentiment today is short. Looking at the S&P 500 and the Russell 2000, S&P 500 up top, starting the day with a red candle. Russell 2000 index below, starting the day with a red candle. Let's look slightly closer at those. Here's the S&P 500. As you can see on the 45-minute chart, definitely got a bit of a lava flow going there. Let's also look at the Russell 2000 a little closer. As you can see, it's doing the same thing. So the markets are opening with a downtrend this morning, looking at the dollar strength index. Well, yesterday was a nice green candle. And of course, today is a red candle, but basically we're now challenging the bottom of that upwards channel that we had going on the daily. So dollar strength index is indecisive this morning, but it's definitely challenging to get back in that upwards channel that it was in. Of course, the daily chart for Bitcoin today is a red candle, but I still think if we do follow this MACD cross trend, we are headed for another 14K plus in early November. All right, look at the 4-hour channel. You can definitely see still an upwards channel that is still going on. That's still happening, but do note that we are trending down in that 4-hour channel. Maybe we're going to visit that heart line. Overall, the RSI is definitely oversold at the moment. So good time for an uptrend. Maybe we won't make it to the bottom. Directional index is still looking strong and ADX is in a good spot. Looking at the 45-minute chart, check this out. The white moving average right here, the 200 moving average on the 45-minute chart. We wicked to it. I tell you what, the 45-minute chart is a magical chart for Bitcoin, along with the 4-hour and the daily. Check this out. We wicked right to the 200 moving average. Are we going to see a turnaround? Well, RSI would definitely show oversold. Directional index, well, the ADX is our friend right now at 22. It's not too bad. I'd like to see it above 24 or 25 for better health. We had some green candles on the directional index right there before we took this dump this morning. But this dump is making a perfect wick bounce off of the 200 moving average. So all may be good. Let's see what's going on today. The market's opening a bit indecisive, but I'm overall still happy with Bitcoin, especially since it's still in this channel between 1100, 100, and 1100, 400, and it made a perfect wick bounce off the 200 moving average. Something to note, Fidelity is all about Bitcoin recently. Fidelity report says Bitcoin's market cap is a drop in the bucket of potential. They say, hey, hedging into Bitcoin, not a bad idea. And that's Fidelity, a boring bunch, but they definitely are a wealthy bunch and they don't take chances. They don't get into games they haven't already won. I'll link to that article and also this long, boring PDF about that, about basically Bitcoin investment theses by Fidelity. If you want to save yourself a lot of time and heartache, it basically just says buy Bitcoin, hedge in, you'll be happy you did. If you have any questions, any interest on some of the indicators that I used, etc. in the video, go to whatisanoperator.com and click on Bitcoin Daily View. I keep that updated with the indicators, etc. that I am using currently. Take care. See everybody tomorrow.